Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zapier with smart home webhooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. If you do not have an account, visit the Zapier website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Make a Zap button to start a new workflow. You will see a prompt to choose a trigger app. In the search bar, type Webhooks by Zapier and select it from the list. Choose Catch Hook as the event and click Continue. Zapier will generate a unique webhook URL for you. Copy this URL to your clipboard for later use. Now, head over to your smart home device's configuration settings. Look for the option to set up webhooks or automations. Paste the Zapier webhook URL into the appropriate field in your smart home settings. Make sure to configure any additional settings, such as triggering conditions. Save the changes in your smart home device. Return to your Zapier setup and click on Test Trigger. Zapier will wait for a test hook from your device. Trigger the event on your smart home device to send data to Zapier. If successful, you will see a confirmation message and the data received. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now, select the action app you want to connect to your webhook. You can choose from a wide variety of applications available on Zapier. After selecting your action app, choose the specific action you want it to perform. Click Continue to proceed. You will now need to customize the action by mapping the data received from the webhook. Follow the prompts to match fields from your smart home device to the action app. Once everything is mapped, click Continue to review your setup. Zapier will display a summary of your workflow for confirmation. If everything looks correct, click Turn on Zap. Your Zap is now active and will execute whenever the webhook is triggered. To verify, perform the action on your smart home device once again. Check if the corresponding action occurs in the connected app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.